What is up, DIY fam? You're watching Rent This Flip That, and we are back out at our AC01 remodel. That's right, we got paint on the wall. It's been quite a while since I've caught up with you guys and gave you an update. Now, there's a lot been going on behind the scenes and a lot of stuff I just couldn't film. Not to mention, for Christmas, we went on a cruise, and so I liked it so much, I went on another one. I took my son, so we just got back from that. But that doesn't mean that stuff hasn't been getting done. Jesse and Kelly have been here working on a couple things. The drywall guys came through. The HVAC guys came through and hooked everything up. Guys, we are so close. So I did want to take you through and give you an update on everything that's been going on and show you what it is we're about to do going forward. So let's go inside after we walk around and take a look. That way I can show you all the stuff I did outside. I did a lot. All right, let's go. All right, so if this is your first time here or you didn't catch the last couple videos, I actually had to pull all that metal off and fix it, and also had to fix a couple leaks in the roof. Those bird boxes, believe it or not, I had some metal down here from where I had tore off this beam where it was over there on the addition. So I had a bunch of metal over there. It was already formed in the beam shape, so I took a razor knife in that straight edge right there, and I cut it up to make those bird boxes. And believe it or not, I didn't even have a break with it, but somehow we made it work. Now you can see this is the after on the gutter, but I did pressure wash this side. I just got to finish it out over there on that side. We got to fix those gutters. This trim right here, I made that by hand. They did have brick mold, but I think it was somewhere around $14 a stick. So I bought some 2x6s and I got my router and table saw out. Well, actually, I don't even think I used my router. I did all that with a table saw. We still have to wrap trim around the windows here. Now up here, what I'm going to do, I was going to finish this all the way up, but the girls were like, oh, I thought you were going to put 1x up there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just cut little strips and stick them up there just as first strips padding out. And then we are going to take some 1x and cap it over that whole thing just to tie everything in. Still have to fix that little spot on the porch over there. Not sure what we're going to do yet, but we'll figure it out, and that'll be another video. So over here, you can see I got that bird box put back together now. That does need to be cleaned up. I still have one more to do over here. Still have to install our 1x on the corners and around the windows again. And here's that HVAC that they came and got. Now, we'll tell you this, a quick story. We did hire somebody else to come out and do that, but that guy took my money and ran. So that cost us quite a little bit. And so hopefully we'll be able to get that worked out in court. But in the meantime, my boy Taylor came out and got this knocked out. So if you guys need any HVAC work done and you are in the Nashville area, let me know and I will send him out to you guys. All right, so you can see right here, the siding goes all the way across. I had to climb up in the attic and put those fan hoses so they come out the soffit, and I do have some vents covers that go up in the soffit for that. This needs to be painted and finished out. Now over here, I can't finish because the meter is behind that. So what needs to happen is the meter is going to stay there, but they have a new, the huge wire that hooks to it. You can see it, it's sticking out right there. And so that one that's going through the house needs to be taken away. But I need to be here on the same day because I want to be able to put one hole in this here where the new one is and then put it up. I'm not even sure what that is, but it's going up to the roof and it's tied to that wire there. I'm not an electrician anyway. All right, so I did get this put on yesterday. We got the J channel ran right there. Still got to run some up at the top and then figure out what we're going to do here. All this is going to get siding around this new addition part. Not because we wanted to, just because we needed to save some money, and the original idea was to side everything. So now all we're going to do is side this and our gables, and that should be done. All right, guys, we are almost done. Let's walk inside and take a look. You won't believe it. The drywall guys are amazing. Check it out. So here's the painted new laundry room. Man, I'm so excited. It was just a vision at one time, and now it's literally a laundry room where we used to sit and take our breaks on the little tiny porch out there, guys. We did it. I love it. Oh, here you go. Jesse's been hard at work with doing all the paint. Let's take a look at all this. There's so much more to come. We got flooring videos to do. We've also got door installation videos to do. The plugs and outlets need to be installed and the covers put on. The ceilings need to be painted. Now, I'm outside working and Jesse's inside working. So she's in here working on all this. We decided not to do any trim around the windows just to make it really nice and clean. We are going to trim it out with 1x4 around the doors. We found a great deal on that. And also we wanted to just keep it a little bit more, I don't know, like not really old-timey, but modern old-timey. Does that make sense? Probably not. Anyway, there's the new bathroom for the master. And then back through this way, there is another bathroom here for everyone else and a tub for them to shower in. All right, guys, I got stuff to do outside. Let's go take a look before I let go of you. Now, I'm not going to lie, man. Sometimes I get out here and I go, well, I need to do this, but I can't really do that because I need to do that. And then if I'm going to do that, I probably have to do that. And so as you can see where I was yesterday on this, I was literally going to start this vinyl siding right here somewhere. But I was telling the girls that right there, I need that piece of 1x because I'm going to cap it off with 1x there and 1x over there. And then I'm going to slide my J channel across there. And I can start my vinyl here. But in order to do that, that has to be filled in. So once I realized that needed to be filled in, I saw that the J channel up there and over there was sagging quite a bit. And as you guys can see, there's why. So also there was a couple pieces of this soffit up in here that didn't have nails in it. So it was hanging two soffits with just nothing in the middle and causing a big belly right there. So I just thought, you know what? It's just better to go redo it all. So I got over to that corner and I could not believe the mess that was going on there. There was a piece of dead wood where you can see that piece right there. There was another piece just like that. It was so curvy. Here, I think I can find it and show you. Guys, look at this. I mean, this thing was, well, first of all, it's curvy that way, but also, if you look down here, I mean, my goodness, that's what was up there. So if you take a look right there, you can see that J channel's all curvy. So my goal is to throw something straight up there and get that back in order. So today, I'm going to finish up what I'm doing, which was putting this across here, putting my 1x in here, and getting this vinyl sided started so that I can wrap it around. But also, I need to put this door trim on first, right? See, it's always something before you can start something. All right, you guys, that's what I got going on here in Ashland City, Tennessee. So you guys hang tight for some updates, and I will check back in with you in just a while. Holla! All right, that's really just one side, but I'm so happy to get it knocked out. You know what I'm saying? It's been a while since I did some vinyl siding, so it was nice to jump back in and try to really learn all that stuff. I am so sure I made plenty of mistakes, and if it's your first time doing it, you will too. Because I've done it before and I made plenty of mistakes. All right, guys, I got the other side to do on the end and I got the back side to do, but you ain't got to hang around for that. I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out, and I'm gonna join back up with you guys on the next video. When we come back, don't forget, we still have floors to do inside. Jesse's in there painting right now with Kelly, and I also have cabinets that we have to put together. That's right, we got the kind that you have to put together. So if you want to see how to do that, you're gonna have to subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on notifications. All right, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for me on this one, and I hope to see you on the next one. Until next time, take care and stay
stay safe.
Peace.